everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an extension of yesterday's video, which was a review of some bits that I had received complimentary to review, and I wasn't really in favor of them. If you want to hear me kind of bash a brand, you can go and listen to that review. I'll put a link to it in the description box below. But otherwise, today's video is about bits that I actually really enjoy off of Amazon and that I have bought myself, purchased, and whenever I'm looking for certain bits, I do go back and I have repurchased them. I've bought some of these multiple times, and this is Pana. It's P-A-N-A, and I believe it's even the Amazon's choice or whatever. They are excellent bits. If you are looking for bits off of Amazon specifically, that's the brand I always go to when I'm looking for them. I've bought other ones in the past that have not really done it for me, but these ones I've always been very happy with. My Cuticle Cleaner bits are from that Pana brand, as well as like my bulk removing bits that I'm using currently are that same brand. And like I said, super happy. They have carbide, diamond, ceramic, whatever you need, this brand has it. So I will show you a couple of those that I love to use, that I have been using, and just give you my little rundown. You know, I actually really enjoy these bits. I do like to go to other companies like Coupa or Designed by Tony Lee when I want to get a really, really nice one. But if you're looking for something highly effective, very, very useful, and inexpensive, this is another really great brand to search for. So I hope you guys love this video, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.
So here we go. Here's that bit that I am going to show you first off. This one is, it's a tapered cone bit. It is a safety bit, and it is an extra coarse bit, I believe. It's either coarse or extra coarse, and now, you know, I don't know, but I will put a link to it in the description box below. And so I'm going to just show you. This nail has a lot of bulk. It had kind of like a seashell texture to it, so it was 3D. And this is going to just take it off. Like, can you guys see the difference just from that one swipe of this? This is the same speed as the bits I was using yesterday, and this bit is just going to pull this acrylic right off effortlessly, just about. So I'm just going to keep kind of very gently going down. I'm using almost no pressure. The e-file is, or the bit is touching my nail, but it is not digging into it. There is there's no drag on this. I don't feel any vibrations. It is, and you can even just see in the amount of dust that's coming off how fast it's removing product. So especially anytime I want to remove a lot of product at once, like if I'm removing an encapsulation like this or removing the full set, this is kind of the bit that I reach for, or another one that I'll show you at the end of the video. But this is just going to, I mean, look at that. It's so smooth. It is so effortless. It is beautiful. And I have bought and rebought this specific bit. I've gotten it more than once. Usually my bits last me about 6 months. If they're like a heavy use bit, I replace them every 3 to 6 months, depending on which one it is. Some of them I replace a little bit quicker, like my cuticle bits. I just am a little bit more cognizant on replacing, because I don't want any kind of extra trauma to happen to the natural nail, and those are going on the natural nail, so it just seems like you know, a little bit better to make sure that those are in their best form. So I'm just going to remove all of this product going down, and then after that, this is that bit that I was just using. It is gorgeous. Just as far as the color goes, it's got like an oil spill type color to it. That's the one I always do when I am removing my acrylic or anybody else's acrylic. This is my acrylic go-to bit. My secondary acrylic go-to bit is this one. This is if there's a lot of product to get off. This is a super coarse bit. I think it's an extra coarse. It's got that black band on it. As you can see, all of these bits have that Pana written on the shaft, but I'm so impressed by them. The first one I got sold me, and I have been buying them for years, probably 5 years. I've been buying Pana bits. So here's the Cuticle Cleaner. I have 2 of these in rotation always, so that I can have them disinfected and ready to go whenever I need them. This one is a little bit tapered on the end to a point, and it actually was marketed as an under the nail cleaner bit, but this is the extra fine one, which works very well as a cuticle cleaner. Like I said, I have 2 of those that I kind of go back and forth, and here's the last one that I've been using that's actually kind of in need of replacement right now, but it is an under the nail cleaner bit that is a carbide bit. And so as you can see, I always file away the natural nail from underneath my enhancement, and just leaves a smoother, more lift resistant finish under my nails. And this is the bit that I do that with. I just go and I just clean that up a little bit. And usually you can't even see as much of my natural nail as is showing right now, but I did not clean off as much as I sometimes do. But that bit is the ticket for that. And those are my bits, guys. Highly recommend those. I'll put links to all 4 of those in the description box below. Check those out for sure if you're in the market. They're my favorites, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.